You need to place tape in these areas to keep this from getting scratched. Open up the cubby door, and if you grab under here on the front and back, make sure you don't pull this up too far, but you can work this up so it pops. You don't want to pull this up a whole lot, but get it to that spot right there. Okay, there's a push pin on the front here that has to come out. And then I did start loosening this with the Allen wrench this way, but a ball end Allen wrench will actually get in under here. Now make sure you do not drop this because it will cause an awful lot more work. To get this piece off, make sure you have to slide it forward all the way until it clicks. There's a little tab up on the front here that I'll show you in a minute that it has to unhook from. And from this point, if you straddle the bike, grab it on both hands and give it a firm tug up. That's what it takes to get it out. Now from there, the 4 screws on the back here need to be removed. These side pieces come off, and then you can replace this button with the light button.